So based on that, we have to study a very important mirror formula. So again, this is what we have shown, that is the object BA. So the various rays that has been emitted by this object, which I have shown. Again, this is the formation of your image. Again, we have shown that. So that is a dash, B dash. So for this triangle, you have to just consider the pair of your, that is the equilateral triangles. Yeah. So let's say for this first case, so consider the triangle that I will write it down over here. That is a ABP and triangle. Again, that is your A dash, B dash, P. So these are the two triangles which you have to consider over here. So in that case, I will write it down. That is nothing but A dash, B dash upon AB. Yeah. So this is what we can write it down. Again, similar to that, for which I can write it down. So definitely this is PB dash, and again that is a PB. So this is first equation. Again, consider the second pair of your triangle. So the second pair that I am going to consider, that is a triangle ABC, and again if you see that your triangle A dash, B dash, C. Okay, fine. So in this triangle, what we are going to write down, again the same thing, A dash, B dash upon AB. Now similar to that, again you can say that, so this is B dash C upon BC. So this is your second equation. So just compare those two equations, you will get that, that is a PB dash upon PB, yeah, is equals to B dash C upon BC. Fine. So this is how you can write down this to your equation, comparing there your RHS. Now if you see that your PB dash, okay, so PB dash you can say that is nothing but your V, and PB is nothing but your U. So this is your V and this is U. Again B dash C. Now that B dash C, so if you observe it carefully, that B dash C, how you are going to write it down, obviously this is nothing but PC minus PB dash, PC minus PB dash, and again BC, how you are going to write down that BC, that is a PB, yeah, so you have to write it down BC, so definitely that is a PB minus PC. Okay, all these sign conventions, according to sign convention, this is negative, this is negative, this is negative, this is negative. So all of them will get cancelled. You can write it down it as a positive also. And this PC minus PB dash, so definitely PC minus PB dash, which will give you B dash C. So PC, again if you observe that distance, PC is nothing but your R. Again that PB dash, so PB dash, again you can say that it is a V. Again PB, PB is nothing but your U, and PC is nothing but R. Fine. So this is how you can write it down. So that is a V upon U. Yeah. So that is a V upon U. So this is one thing. And then according to that, that is a R minus V. Yeah. R minus V and U minus R. Fine. So just take it the cross multiplication for this. So U into R minus V. So this is a UV minus, that is a U, that is a VR. Yeah. So this one, definitely you can just write it down. Obviously that is your V into R. Okay, so this is UV minus VR, then again UR minus UV. Fine. So again this is 2UV, again this is UR plus VR. Now divide by UVR. So what you have to do, divide by UVR. So this is 2UV upon UVR. Similarly, that is a UR upon UVR plus VR upon UVR. Okay, that UV get cancelled. So this is a 2 upon R. Okay, again UR, so that is a 1 by V plus again 1 by U. And again R is equals to 2 times of your F. So this is 2 upon 2F, which is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So this is final, that is the equation is 1 by F is equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So that we are going to call it as a mirror formula. Obviously F is the focal length, U is the object distance, and V is the image distance. So the relation between them you can get with the help of this mirror formula for this particular case. Now based on the same thing, we have to study the magnification. So what is the magnification? Obviously the magnification means we are just going to compare the size of image upon the size of object, or you can say that, so definitely that is the height of image upon height of object that you have to calculate over here. So the same thing that we can do over here also, considering those triangles. So if you observe these two triangles which I have shown for this particular case also, so you have to talk in terms of their height. Yeah, so you have to just talk in terms of their height. So simple, again you can write it down over here also, that is, for example, that is a dash b dash upon ab. Yeah, so considering these two triangles, and definitely again which we have to talk it in terms of their distance also. Yeah, so which you have to talk in terms of their distance also. So this a dash b dash, similarly that distance is v and this distance is u. Fine. So this is again how we can write it down then. So definitely from this equation, so that a dash b dash, similarly I have written that is a h2 upon h1, and the same thing which is applicable over there, so which is v upon u. Again, if you just consider according to the sign conventions, so definitely both these distances, they are on the left side, and again h2, so h2 was below, so definitely this was minus h2. So this magnification factor m, so which you can write it down, that is h2 upon h1, and this is minus v upon u. So this is a very important formula for the magnification, so which is h2 upon h1, and which is same as that of your minus v upon u. Now we have to see the magnification in terms of that f and u also. So just what we have written, that is 1 by u plus 1 by v, obviously, which is what we have written, that is 1 by f. Okay, so now from this one, again let's say multiply by u on this each side. So this is u by v, and again this is u by f. So m, we know that, just we have seen that, which is a v upon u. Fine. So this is also what we can do. So let's say this is 1 plus, again that is a u by v, and again this is u by f. Again further what we can do, so that is a u upon v, and this is u by f minus 1, then again this is f, then u minus f, and this is u upon v. Okay, so again further I can just say that, obviously, so this is u by v is equals to u minus f upon f. So just take v by u, so that is a f upon f minus u, but since this is a minus magnification factor, so definitely you can write it down, that is f. Yeah, okay, so you can just do that also. So with the help of which either you can just get any one of that, your magnitude also. Yeah, so based on that you can just make it in this way also. So this is your magnification factor also. Yeah, so based on those your sign conventions also, you can just make the necessary changes over there. Yeah, so this is what we can say about the magnification. Obviously, if m is greater than 1, so we will say that definitely the image is magnified. If m is less than 1, the image is diminished. M is equals to 1, the image is of same size. M is positive, then the image is virtual and erect. Again, if m is negative or v is negative, definitely the image is real and your inverted.